Your attention viewers, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please do like the video and subscribe my channel. Today I am at Korutla Railway Station to show you the electrification update. Let's go. There you can see a train standing on a railway line. Let's move forward. This is a locomotive called WDG-3A of Kalyan Loco Shed. These are called flatbeds. You can see that electric poles placed on that flatbed. A bundle of electric poles are placed on flatbed. You can see mini hydraulic crane which is used to insert those electric poles in cement slab, also known as foundation, which I have shown you in previous update video. Please do watch the previous electrification update video. The link is in the description. The train is departing to Lingampet Jagtial. The work of laying poles will be started from Lingampet Jagtial. Thanks for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch another electrification update.